Time of truth. 495 joining 95. Let's see how are the conditions over here. Butterfly Perignon. Look the at least the part of the exit is cleaner, better. You can see the road actually. So there must have been a plow truck over here ahead of me. Exit is clean. As long as the exit is clean, which is good, because this is where most of the accidents happen, on the exit. If the exits are clean and you drive safely, slowly, it is good. The exit is clean. Okay, 95, here we come, and 95 seems better because I can see the road. Yeah, this is the main commerce artery of the US, one of the major ones, north to south. We actually gand pagan. The plow truck has made some mess over here, and there wasn't a big tractor trailer in front of me, so that's good. That is good. That is good. I'm going to go on to this, and voila. Yeah, baby, yeah. Yeah, 95 is much better, much better, much better. And I'll show you, I think, see if these are the welcome to 95, the road which has been clean, but it is. Oh, look what he's doing. What is he doing? He's trying to come in front of me. You don't do that kind of moves, because you end up with a accident. When you apply brakes in these conditions, it's going to be disastrous. No brakes. So people drive very nicely. They are very cognitive of the fact that they don't come in front of you all of a sudden, which this van tried to do. And so the reason this 95 seems to be very nice and clean is because you see those blinking lights in the front. I'm not sure whether you can see it in this video, but there are blinking lights in the front, and those are the big plow trucks that are moving in front of me. So that's why I can go from here to here and there to there, and oh yeah, look at that. That car is driving in the wrong. Look, that car was in a hurry. It's stuck now. He's getting even more stuck by trying to get out of it, because he's off the road. Wow, 95 has plenty of cars that have plow. Yep. Plenty of cars that have moved out of the. You see, even for the first time I'm seeing these small little trucks being used, not the big trucks. Let's see if we can catch that big truck view. There's a whole line of trucks that are cleaning 95. Look, this one over here, then this one. So they make, and the salt is coming from behind. See how the salt is coming from behind? You see the salt coming from behind the truck. And all these blinking lights are a whole bunch of plow trucks. The one that is in the front is one in which I am, the lane I am in. So this is Maryland. This is a rich state. They can afford plows and salt and sanding of the roads, and 95 is cleaner. And so this truck is doing funky business, which I don't like. So the plows go, the one in the front is in the fastest lane, this lane which I am going, then there'll be a plow on that side, a little bit on that side, and there are like, you can see there are 4 or 5 plows in front of me. 1, 2, 3, I can definitely see 5, yes. There are 5 plows in front of me, and see how the road is being cleaned. Let's see. This car will move a little bit faster. It's afraid. Look, you can see that plow truck plowing. Those plow trucks are actually, this car has a truck in front of it which is not moving. It's not a plow truck, it's just a regular private small truck. Icy roads possible, reduce speed. Okay, sir. That's the sign that's saying. Yeah, see how the plow truck is splashing the snow away. So look, this is another plow truck. Wow, look at that, how they are making, and that car is trying to get between the plow trucks. See how it's leaving one side, and now this truck is cleaning the last, and there's a plow truck that's coming behind it which will be cleaning that side which it has plowed. So it is splashing all the snow on one side, and of course I was not paying attention in the front and it applied a full brake, so I slowed down too. You have to be very careful in these conditions. And this stupid truck is trying to, and I'm making some noise for the truck. So look at that. That was a view to be watched. The sand in that truck in the front had finished, so it pulled up. And the plow trucks are slowing down, and they are going to that truck has lifted to push the salt back, so they are out of salt now. You see how they do that? That truck has lifted it so it will push the salt back. still driving while it is. He's going to push it down in a minute. The truck is doing gymnastics. But the good thing is that there's the snow is being plowed, even if it's not being salted the road. But see they're cleaning 3 lanes right now, and this has 4 lanes. So there's a truck behind. There are 2 trucks behind which are cleaning the other lane also. And most of the time they clean the on 95 right there. It's cleaning the 4th lane right there. And there's a 5th one right behind, the small one, which is cleaning the what is called the shoulder. Now you know how the best view I think would be in front of this truck. If I can go in front of this truck, you will have a much better view. But that's okay. Look, this one is closed, cleaning the shoulder on this side also. As a result, the middle part is being missed. But that's okay. I'm going to go in front of this truck. Look, there's a whole line of trucks. One on this side, and all those trucks. Exit joining 95, and look at that. one wheel is on the shoulder and one is on the road. That's how they have plowed it. So I'm going back onto the, look, this is pushing salt. Hit this white one. So you have to drive with the pace of the trucks. I think there's too much snow over here, so they have come closer together if you look at it. This will continue. Sprouting snow, salt. That truck has lifted the front end to get more salt. Look, the salt, it is moving, so salt comes out and there's a whole bunch of salt that's pouring out of it. Leaving 95. Bye bye. They went out. Back to the snow. I'm driving 40 miles an hour now that the snowplows have left, even though there is snow, and not a good place, so I slowed it down to 30 again. Stuck over there, dangerous situation for them, unfortunately. I'm going to try to so now I am in the lead, so as a result I am creating the car tire tracks and everybody is following behind me, I can tell, because I'm the fastest. So I am going to go back to the other lane over here where there's nobody, because this way chances are that if you slip there's nobody around you. There we go, I changed the lane, I came to this side. I'm going to be taking an exit. Let's see what's happening in Howard County in 32 on 32 soon. Bye for now.